Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change an image in Framer template. So for example, you are already inside your project and you want to replace one of the images in the template. So first, click the image that you want to change and then look at the property panel on the right side and scroll down until you see the image option. And in some templates, this may appear under fill in the style section, and then click the current image and then select choose image, and after that choose the new image from your computer and it will automatically replace the old one in the design. So for some images you may need to double check the element first because it is inside a component or variant. Once it opens, select the image layer, go back to the right side panel and find the fill option, and then click the current image, choose a new file from your computer, and the image will be updated. And then you can repeat the same process for any other image that you want to replace in the template. So this makes it easy to customize the design using your own pictures. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.